everyone! We hope that you're all staying happy and healthy in these times of uncertainty. We have been getting a lot of questions about deferring mortgage payments. Should you take advantage of this program? How much will a mortgage deferral cost me? Does my rental property qualify? Let's take a minute to answer some of these questions and give you some helpful information. Who should take advantage of the payment deferral programs? If there is any chance that you could be laid off, have reduced hours or income, or think you may have to use your savings or credit cards to get through these next few months, then please take advantage of the gift of deferral from our government. We don't know how long this will last, so plan for the worst case scenario. Under this program, you can defer your payments for 1 month up to a maximum of 6 months. In order to take advantage of the program, you will need to contact your current lender. We have been advised by all lenders that website or email is the most effective way to submit your request. If you call, know that you run the risk of a very long wait time or potentially not getting through at all. However you choose to do it, please get in touch with your lender and see what your options are. They're there to help you through this challenging time. How much will a mortgage deferral cost me? Obviously, everyone's cost will vary depending on their mortgage amount. However, we can give you an example to show you why we think a mortgage deferral is more positive than negative. If you have a $400,000 mortgage, you will pay roughly $700 in extra interest by deferring your mortgage for 6 months. This is the interest on interest you may have heard about in the news. This additional interest has to be paid by the end of your current term. So if you have 3.5 years left on your term, this adds up to an additional $16.66 added on to your monthly payments once your deferral period is over. If you didn't defer payments on that same $400,000 mortgage, you would be paying about $2,000 in monthly payments, which totals $12,000 over the 6 months of deferral. Needless to say, we feel that paying an additional $17 in payments for the rest of your term to save $12,000 in cash flow during this uncertain time is well worth it. Does my rental property qualify? If you're a landlord and your tenants have incurred financial difficulty, a few lenders are allowing mortgage deferrals on rental properties, but you'd have to call your specific lender to see what their policy is. If you can, we suggest applying for mortgage payment deferrals on your owner-occupied, vacation, and rental properties to help alleviate as much financial stress as possible. While everyone's financial situation is different, what it comes down to is giving yourself as many financial options as possible, as no one knows what the next 6 months will look like.